What's going on, guys? SargeantsTechTips. I'm going to be showing you how to use GetMacApps and basically a look at what GetMacApps is. It's actually like a software for Windows called 9.9. It allows you to install multiple applications. I also feel like 9.9 for Windows is slightly better because it has more of a variety of apps to click and install. It's also a little bit easier to use. For Mac, it's kind of complicated, but it's not too complicated. So you can go to the GetMacApps website by going to getmacapps.com. I will also leave a link in the description below. And you can just select the apps you want to install. I'm going to do an example. I'm going to install one application. You can select multiple, and it should not take long at all. So I'm going to go ahead and select VLC Player, and I'll do one more. We'll install... I also selected the Unarchiver. So now what you can do is you can go ahead and click Install these. And what you want to do is paste this code into the Terminal app to install these apps. So what you want to do is select that whole code by doing Command A, then Command C. What you can do is you can go ahead and hold down Command, click the spacebar, and type in terminal. Click terminal. What you do is you want to right click, paste, click enter. It's going to go ahead and download the two files that is on the it's downloading it from probably GetMacApps servers, so it depends on your internet connection speed, but it should not take too long at all. When it's done, it's going to say it's going to say it's done. Not all of them are going to work because they're either out of date or the installer just kind of died, but what you can do is you can go ahead and go to your Launchpad and VLC Player or whatever you selected is downloaded. I'm not 100% sure why the Unarchiver doesn't work, but I think it's not compatible because they have not updated that software yet. Now, as you can see, if you go to the Launchpad or even go to your Applications folder, which I have down here, you can see VLC Player. VLC Media Player should be sitting right in there. And you can go ahead and click, I'll go ahead and click on it to prove that it works. But that is how you use GetMacApps.com. So one of the reasons I'm doing this video is because a lot of people spend time going to each website and downloading the file. I do that personally because it doesn't take me long. I know what I need to install when I have a fresh install of macOS or Windows. But some people it's a little more difficult because they have to search for this right download they want, or if they're looking for an older version. This usually doesn't have updated versions, but I do think they update some of the apps because it looks like VLC Media Player is at the latest version from what I know. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Let me know in the comments below what you guys want to see for future videos. Like the video if you liked it. Dislike if it sucked. Also, please subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Click the notifications bell in the... It's going to be right next to the subscribe button after you click it, and it's not red anymore because you guys got to join the red gang. So join the red gang, click that subscribe button. It helps me out a lot because I'm trying to live off YouTube, but it's really not that simple because I don't get as many views as some YouTubers. But that's fine. My channel's growing. But yeah, I'll see you guys next video, and peace out.